Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here on a restaurant cleaning today. We're going to be doing the floors, so you can check them out here. You see the edge there? We're going to be getting that up. Look at the difference here. All in here. All right. Heavy oil and heavy traffic area. Okay. Areas up here. All right, so we got this whole area to do. Carpet looks the same the whole way through. All right, stay tuned for the end results. All right, so we put that on the pre-spray, allow it to dwell, and now we're gonna do the agitation. Let's see how the spot comes up.
Okay, I'm gonna leave.
All right, you wanna let him get through real quick. All right, I just wanted to show you agitation. You can see how lighter it is here in color. This is just rubbing the pre-spray in into the carpet. I haven't, started cleaning it yet or anything. This is just rubbing the solution in, and look at that. This is part of our 7-step cleaning process. You can see the color difference here from here. I cleaned this area. Didn't clean that yet. Let's see it here. I'm just gonna go forward and back just to show the area. Alright guys, I wanted to show you how it's coming along. If you remember, this was totally black here. So we got the air mover down and just drying the area. Underneath the stools were black. We moved the booths out as well. We got the booths out of the way. We done this section here. We also done this section over here as well. And it looks great compared to what there was traffic everywhere, all over this floor. You've seen it in the video before. Like we said, we're not done yet. Look, everything looked like this dark color here. You can see next to the booth, that's the color it's supposed to be, okay? So it'll all look like this, just traffic area. It hasn't been cleaned in a while. The last cleaner retired, so look at that. So we're going to get that all up. Now it's not going to get to the original state here, and I did let the owner know that as well. Of course, it's going to get lighter in color, and it's going to look just like this over here. I mean, it looks great. All right, so just stay tuned for that. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're finished with the restaurant cleaning, and man, did it turn out great. Check out this area right here. It was totally dark. That's all the way going the whole floor. All right, you've seen the video previously before when we were halfway finished. This really wasn't the problem side. This was my main concern over here. Around the desk where people check out, heavy darkness over here. A lot of dirt, soot, and oil, grease, especially underneath the tables. I mean, we really brought these floors back. Even right here, there was a large traffic area. You could see it was very, very faint, but it was really dark in here. All right. So this carpet's going to take 2 hours to dry. We already have the air movers down, so it'll probably take 30, 45 minutes for it to dry now with the air movers down. And we put a deodorizer in, so stay tuned for the next cleaning.